Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is KHALID Mahmud. In today's video, we are going to draw this technical shape AutoCAD Practice Exercise 56. It's a simple but detailed 2D drawing, perfect for beginner and engineering student and who want to learn AutoCAD. Okay, so let's get started. Step 1. Draw the main circle. Let's begin by drawing the outer large circle with a diameter 92 using the simple circle command. This one is our outer circle 92 dia. Just create C for circle command and put our diameter using D, enter, 92, press enter. Now create an inner reference circle as a dia 26, center at the same point. This one is our second circle, diameter will be 76 using same center point. Okay, so just activate using C for circle command, click on same center point, D for diameter 76, press enter. And finally draw the base circle with dia 60, which will help us place all 8 holes. So this one is our final circle as a diameter 16. So just activate C for circle command, click on same center point, D for diameter 60. Now step 2, array of holes. Using the circle command again and create a small circle hole as a diameter 10 on 76 dia circle. So if you see very carefully, this one is our dia as a 76. We need to create on this diameter circle, small circle will be diameter 10 and this small circle will 8 pieces. Okay, so just activate circle command using C, enter, click on this coordinate point using D for diameter and 10, press enter. Now select this circle, use array command. Now use the array polar command to create 8 copies around the circle. So array polar, press enter, click on same center point and choose a number of item as a 8, press enter. Now close array. Select this line, go to properties and change a line color as a red and line type it will be center. Perfect, we have the inner bolt hole ready. Now step 3, upper side circles and holes. Now draw the upper side circle with a dia 40. This inner side circle diameter will be 40 at a distance of 32 from the center. So from center move at a 32, this one. And yes, there is two lines of this. Mirror the first using mirror, place the second. And don't forget the radius of this curve, as a 10. Okay, so just activate circle command using C, enter, click on this same center point and put the value of diameter as a 14, press enter. Select this circle using M for move command and upside it will be 55, press enter. Now choose M for move, P for previous selection, press enter, click on specific point and put the value as a 32, press enter. Now create one more circle as a radius 14 on same center point using 14, press enter. Now choose a line command using L, enter, click on this coordinate point to this coordinate point. Now need to create these curves. Radius will be 10. So you can use fillet command, F for fillet, R for radius and radius will be 10. Use T for trim, choose as a no trim. Select this circle to this circle. Now step 4, lower circle with radius 14 curves. So you can use same process for downside. Yeah, otherwise I prefer select all these circles and arcs using MI for mirror and select this point to choose as a No. And same, select this one, choose MI for mirror and click on center point and choose as a no. Select all these one, E for erase. This one is first option, but second option you can go with, select these all using RO for rotate, click on same center point and choose as a C for copy and put it 180 degree. I prefer this one. This one is more easy. Now step 5, final touch. Let's trim all the extra part using TR double enter. Trim this one, this one, this one and this one. Zoom and clean up corner using trim and fillet command. Now everything looks clean and symmetric, just like our original drawing. Select all these drawing except the center line. Go to properties and add a line thickness as a 0.30. Now step 6, add dimension. So I already explained every drawing how can you add dimension. You can use DIM from here, DIM for dimension, and add dimension very properly. Okay, where you want to add. After add your dimension, your drawings looks like that. So you can download the project file of this exercise, link in the description box. So great for your own practice. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and join the channel for more detailed AutoCAD exercise tips and tricks. So I hope you learned something new. So see you in the next drawing. Tata, bye bye, take care. Keep learning, keep growing.